Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a signed-in Google account and correct time zone so events land where you expect them. Once done, create a dedicated calendar for this workflow. Name it, pick a color, add a concise description, and set default visibility and notification rules to reduce noise. Next, enable useful labs and features like keyboard shortcuts and world clock. These initial steps prevent clutter and make later automation and sharing work cleanly, so you can build on a solid base. You now structure your calendar for repeatable clarity. Create event templates, meeting, deep work, and reminders, with set durations and default reminders so creating entries is fast. Then, apply recurrence rules thoughtfully, custom repeats, sensible end dates, and explicit exceptions to avoid ghost events. Color code by type to scan your day quickly. Once templates are set, integrate Google Meet, tasks, and automation tools like Zapier to auto-create events from forms or emails. This reduces manual entry. Finish by sharing and optimizing. Assign precise permissions, view, make changes, or delegate, and send a test invite so you confirm access and visibility. Then review calendar patterns, busiest slots, recurring conflicts, and no-response events. Adjust working hours and notification thresholds to reduce overload. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Clear browser/app cache, reauthorize connected apps, and check Google account limits. Finally, test with a single event after each change. This lets you validate fixes quickly and avoid cascading mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.